Hi, hello. I'm Dr.K.Poongothai, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about the case study which is related to the subject managerial economics. Before going into a case study, in this case study, pricing strategies is involving an important thing. So now we are going to discuss about what is a price. We already know that price is a value for a product, goods or a services. So that is a price. Price refers to the amount of money required to purchase a product or services. Price can also be seen as a measure to produce a value is so far as a people are willing to pay a certain monetary amount to buy it. So here the pricing is a process of fixing the value that the manufacturer will receives the exchange of services and goods. Pricing method is exercised to adjust the cost of producers offering suitable to both the manufacturer and customer. Here the both the manufacturer and customer have to make a benefit over here while fixing a price. Here the manufacturer is doing his business and the customer is a king of a market. So because of whom to whom we are making a manufacturer over here, only for a customer. So we have to fix a price for each and every level of people have to buy our product and they have to enjoy the price of a product. So like that only we have to make a fix over our price. So in this case study it relates to a smartphone. Here the smartphone, without a smartphone nothing can be do here. So each and everyone is in need of mobile phones and they are doing their work through the mobile phones, and each and every process in the hands of us in the way of mobile phone. By a technological changes everything has been changed and mobile phone takes place an important part in our life, and it is also a smartphone in a way where we can have all the activities over in our hands. A mobile phone is a personal communication device used to make and receives calls, sends and receiving messages, access the internet and perform other tasks via wireless connection. Mobile phone have become an integral part of our life. Here the mobile phone, full form of mobile phone is Modified Operation Byte Integration Limited Energy, is an full form of our mobile phone. It is an wireless connection cell phone moving a technology. It is a possible to say as a mobile. Now we comes into an pricing strategy. What are the pricing strategies? What is meant by pricing strategy? The pricing strategy is an integral to overall success of a business. It involves careful balance between maximizing profit, satisfying customer needs and staying competitor in the marketplace. Regular evaluation and adjustments of pricing strategies are an essential to adopt a changing market condition and maintaining a strong position on the marketing. Our case study is that XYZ company, a leading technology firm, is facing an intensive competition in the market for a flyout of shipping product cutting edge of smartphones. The company management is concerned about the maximum profit while maintaining the market share. The market is dynamic with the various competing offering the similar features. Here we are having issues over here. In this, XY company needs to determine the optimum pricing strategy that balancing the profit maximization and market competitiveness. The second one is that the management is also competing the introducing a new features in the next version of the smartphone, and they need to access the potential impact on the pricing and demand. Here the first question we are having that what factors should XYZ company consider when setting up a price for its smartphone? XY company should consider the production cost, competitor pricing and consumer demand elasticity and prescribe the product value. The next question is that how can the XYZ company analyze the elasticity of demand for its smartphone? Conducting a pricing strategy, studying and analyzing the historical sales data in response to price changes can help XY company to determine the elasticity of demand. The next question is that how it should enhance the pricing discrimination to maximize the profit. Depending upon market segment, XYZ company should explore the price discrimination to capture a consumer surplus and maximize overall its profit. The next question is that is that might introducing a new feature impact the pricing strategy. Introducing a new features can justify the premium price, but XYZ company should be carefully assess the consumer preference and competitor response. Here, there is a need for a mobile phone, and also there is a competitor over here. According to that, they have to make a concentrated over here, and they have to stay the customer, and not only the customer, and also they have to make a consumer to buy their product. Their motive is that, so according to that they have to make their pricing strategy. The next one is, what the role does makes a cost benefit analysis playing in determining the pricing strategies for XYZ company. Here, cost benefit analysis helps XYZ company to evaluate the impact of pricing decision on profitability and access the trade-off between cost and potential revenue. At last, that the pricing strategy to respond to changes in market, consumer behavior and competitor landscape. Additionally, இத்தனை பேசி முடிச்சு இது மண்டை காய்ச்சிச்சு.